To refine users' messaging experience, WhatsApp is working on a new feature that allows users to create events in individual chats. The feature was spotted in the latest WhatsApp beta for Android 2.25.1.18 update on the Google Play Store program, and it's currently in the development phase. According to sources, the feature will let users create events in their chats that are similar to those created in the group chats to maintain consistency across the platform. Earlier, a similar feature was available in community tabs. Here's how you can create events on WhatsApp. Users will need to provide a name for the event and an optional description to offer additional context, such as the date on which the event will take place. This will ensure that all participants are clear about the schedule. Additionally, users will have the option to specify an end time for the event, making it easier to define the duration. An optional location can also be attached to the event, enabling participants to know exactly where the meeting will take place. Moreover, to make it convenient for virtual meetings, WhatsApp also allows users to link events to start an audio or video call when it begins. Once the event's created in an individual chat, it will be automatically shared in that particular conversation and the recipient will be notified. However, the recipient can choose to accept or decline the invitation.